Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put a link on your bio on Instagram. So first of all, and of course, you'll need the Instagram application on your phone. So simply just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign into your account to create an account. But if you do have an account, all you need to do, just go and log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So as we said earlier, we want to add a link on our bio on Instagram. All I need to do that, just go here at your profile picture on the bottom right corner, click on that. Then as you can see here, we have an option of edit profile. Just click on that again, click that now, and as you can see, we have a bio. So if you want to add the link, just let's say for example I want to add the Google link, just www.google.com. so just click on the check mark, and as you can see here, we have a link added to our bio. Simply just click on the check mark now, and you will be able to see. So as you can see here, it's with white. So if you click on it, you will not be able to go to this website or to this link. So what you should do is just go again and go to edit profile and remove it from your bio. Click on the check mark again. You need to add it on the website. So let's just add this here again, www.google.com. As you can see, now it's here. All I need to do, just click on the check mark again, and as you can see now, if I click on it, it will take me straight to Google. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.